Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a link on your Linktree so you can keep your profile up to date. So let's dive right into the video. First, go to Linktree through your browser, or you can simply download the app from App Store in iOS or Play Store in Android. Once inside, you will see your dashboard with all your current links. Now find the link you want to change and click the edit button. As you can see, I have not added any links right now, so that type of interface won't be appearing right in front of me. Now if you click the edit button, this will open the link setting. Paste the new URL into the link field and update the title if needed. Make sure everything is correct before saving, because it will directly link your account to other account to the link. Hit save and your link tree is updated instantly. Visitors will now see the new link when they click on your Linktree URL. And that's it, you have successfully changed a link on Linktree. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and make ssure to comment on what topic should I cover next. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.